Today in this video, we will be talking about the AdaBoost algorithm. What is AdaBoost algorithm? So, it is basically an assemble learning approach or algorithm in which we combine multiple models together to make a master model. So, in this tutorial, uh, I will be using this uh, data set which you can download from the Kaggle. So, it's a adult income data set. So here all the values I'm using are numerical columns. So like we have the age and the functional weights, education level, and the what is the sex, male and female, capital gain, capital loss, and the hours per week and the salary. So let's get started. So initially we import all the necessary libraries like the pandas, numpy, and I have loaded the my CSV file which I have downloaded this one. So here you can download the CSV file to work on. So here this is the data set how it looks. So we have the this one is the income is a target column. So where if a person earns more than 50,000 then the value will be 1, and if it is less than 50,000 then the income value will be 0. So let's see. Okay, so here are some values are one. Okay, so what I am doing is I am just dropping this unnecessary column. Okay, fine. So this is the you can say the data set how it looks, and then we separate the data set for the dependent columns and the independent columns, and so this one is the my X, that is the all the independent columns where I'm separating my Y column, that is the income column, that is my Y column, and then we are like separating, splitting the data set into the test and training set. So you can like do the train test and build over here. So I'm using the 25% for the test and 75% for the training. So this is the number of rows we are getting in the training, and there are some 8,000 rows in the test. So so this one is the main part. So here I am like importing the AdaBoost classifier model. So so here I am like I am making the object of the AdaBoost classifier. Here I am using the number of estimators equal to 100. So like I am using the you can say models, small models, and the values is 100. So here I am taking 100 models. So result of 100 models will combine together to make the prediction. So this one is the hyper parameter tuning, that is the learning rate. So it contributes to the weight of the weak learners, and the number of estimators here are the weak learners. So here I am fitting training my model. So I am just using the AdaBoost dot fit to train on the my training set. That is the X train and the Y train. After that, we use the model dot predict to predict on the test set. That is the X test. So from here, what I'm doing is I'm checking the accuracy of the model. So I'm checking. You can see the accuracy of the model here coming like 84%. So so this is the like the basic implementation of the AdaBoost algorithm. So here, like I have done nothing like the hyperparameter tuning, or you can say the feature engineering, and the you can say so. So you can tune this model, and it will give you the very good result. Suppose if I here I just reduced it learning rate. Let's take 0. 0.01. Let's see what happens. So here the accuracy of the model is decreased from 84% to 80%. So it is the like function of the data scientist, or you can say the like to check and test various hit and runs on the hyperparameters and to get the best accuracy parameters.